So here we are, today we're in Bagnoregio in the Umbrian region of Italy. Little doorway I came across on a day trip to there once. In fact, it's a couple of doorways which you might think wouldn't really work as a composition, but I think it does because this one is a bit smaller. It's set back a bit in the shadow, whereas the definite focal point is the bright contrast of the rich red on the door and the light on the wall there. So lots of technique. I mean, I often think it's like a separate technique altogether to paint flowers. And there's architectural detail, which if you don't get the perspective right on it, can be a bit tricky to get a convincing looking painting. So you need to get the foundations right. Quite a lot of dry brush work, but at the same time, quite a bit of wet in wet when you look at the tree here and you look at the basic underlying washes. So yeah, quite a lot of technique to practice and learn from on the way. Good fun, great to do, but easy to overwork it because you soon lose the bright light when you put too many washes on. So keep an eye on what you're doing and bear in mind less is more. I hope you enjoy it.